Welcome to Module 13, LA108ers. This is a relatively light module. We're going to be doing peer review, and we're going to be learning about colorful descriptive language in writing. And especially, we're going to be focusing on metaphors, visual and written, in looking at the marvelously inventive and humorous moving sculptures of Arthur Ganson. You are going to love his work. And I just wanted to share with you a little bit about what is a metaphor and why are they so important. And a metaphor you may already be familiar with. It's a way of saying one thing is like something else. So, for example, that girl is a fox, or life is a dream. Now, we know that the girl is not literally a fox, but when we use a saying like that, we are saying that she has qualities that are very much like a fox, and we can understand her character that way. In the same way, life isn't literally a dream, or is it? But it sure does have a lot of characteristics it shares with a dream, doesn't it? So, metaphors are a way for us to see the interconnectedness among things and get beneath the surface to see what underlies appearances to some degree. And it also reveals what's beautiful. So people have been using metaphors as long as there's been music and language. And in fact, it's thought that probably we were musical as a species before we began to speak. So, um, Ganson's got some great visual metaphors for you to check out. And students have written their own metaphors to try to capture Ganson's moving sculptures in previous semesters. And I thought I'd share some of them with you as a way to illustrate how potent a method of capturing the essence of a work of art using a metaphor can be. Did that make sense? I mean, in other words, if you really want to capture the essence of a work of art, get it in a metaphor. It's the best way to go. Okay, here are the examples from students in previous semesters. The slow, revealing motion of the fan opener is the feeling of painkillers finally kicking in. The secret fan machine is a timid young woman revealing to the world, for a moment, her beautiful mind. That's a really good one. The exploding chair is an inmate dreaming of escape, only to wake up and realize he is still confined. The machine that oils itself is a haunted alcoholic soul who's going to stop next time. The chair, carefully lifted by its mechanic dance partner, is the exciting collision between incident and captivating feelings. The exploding chair is a deep orgasm, a total disconnect from reality, with one's feelings reconstructing in the aftermath. The grease ejaculating machine is a harlot's promise to a foolish man. And finally, the wishbone is the carcass of man, perpetually enslaved to the machines that supposedly serve us. Okay, you can get the idea of richness that, like, pours out of students when they take a look at these visual metaphors. And you may reflect a little bit on people like Shakespeare, who use this kind of language as their stock in trade in describing the world around them and creating marvelous works of art. Okay, I hope you enjoy our exploration of metaphor this module, and I look forward to engaging with you in the discussion topics.